Welcome back to Autoland, your ultimate destination for luxury automotive insights and futuristic travel innovations. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the concept of a 2026 Rolls-Royce Motor Home. While Rolls-Royce is known for its unparalleled craftsmanship and opulent vehicles, imagine if the brand ventured into the world of luxury motorhomes. What would it look like? What kind of features would it offer? How would it redefine the way we experience travel? Stick with us as we take an in-depth look at what could be the most luxurious motorhome ever created. Let's start by imagining the exterior. A Rolls-Royce motorhome wouldn't just be another luxury RV, it would be a masterpiece on wheels. Think of an elongated body with a sleek aerodynamic profile embodying both power and elegance. The signature Rolls-Royce Pantheon grille would sit proudly at the front, accompanied by a modern reinterpretation of the Spirit of Ecstasy, glowing softly in an illuminated crystal form. The body would be crafted from high-strength aluminum and carbon fiber to maintain durability while ensuring a lightweight design for enhanced performance and efficiency. Now, let's talk about size. Given Rolls-Royce's emphasis on grandeur, this motorhome would likely be on the larger side, comparable to Class A motorhomes but with a much more refined silhouette. Picture a seamless integration of LED ambient lighting along the exterior, adding to its sophisticated presence even in low-light settings. Stepping inside, the interior would be nothing short of a five-star hotel suite. Rolls-Royce's dedication to bespoke craftsmanship would be evident in every inch of the space. Imagine stepping onto plush, deep-pile lamb's wool carpeting that cushions your every step. The walls and cabinetry would be adorned with hand-polished wood veneers, such as Macassar ebony or open-pore walnut, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Leather upholstery, sourced from the finest hides, would cover the seating and lounge areas, offering both comfort and timeless beauty. The living space would be designed for ultimate relaxation. A spacious lounge area would feature reclining seats with built-in massage functions, ambient lighting with customizable settings, and a state-of-the-art sound system developed by Rolls-Royce's audio engineers. A 75-inch OLED television would seamlessly rise from a hidden compartment, allowing for cinematic experiences on the road. The motorhome would also be equipped with smart glass windows, enabling passengers to adjust opacity for privacy or to take in breathtaking views at the touch of a button. Moving into the kitchen area, functionality and luxury would go hand in hand. The countertops would be crafted from high-end materials like marble or quartz, resistant to heat and scratches. The appliances would be top of the line, including an induction cooktop, convection oven, built-in coffee machine, and even a wine chiller with temperature control for the finest bottles. Custom crystal glassware and fine china, engraved with the Rolls-Royce emblem, would be neatly stored in soft close cabinets with motion sensors that illuminate upon opening. The dining area would feature a convertible table made from exquisite hardwood, capable of expanding to accommodate guests. Soft leather upholstered dining chairs would ensure maximum comfort, making every meal a sophisticated experience. Whether dining alone or entertaining fellow luxury travelers, this space would embody the essence of refined living. Now, let's move to one of the most crucial parts of a motorhome, the sleeping quarters. Rolls-Royce is synonymous with comfort, and this motorhome would take that to a whole new level. The master suite would feature a king-size bed with a cashmere mattress, providing the ultimate rest experience. The headboard would be adorned with intricate embroidery, perhaps depicting celestial constellations, or a custom design chosen by the owner. Built-in nightstands with wireless charging pads and integrated lighting would add convenience and elegance. A walk-in wardrobe would offer ample space for designer clothing, tailored suits and accessories, complete with an automated clothing steamer to ensure garments remain pristine. The en-suite bathroom would rival those found in high-end hotels, featuring a rain shower with aromatherapy functions, gold-scented fixtures, and a vanity mirror with LED lighting that adjusts to different moods. Heated floors and a towel warming drawer would provide added comfort, ensuring that every moment spent here feels indulgent. Of course, the driving experience would be just as important as the luxury inside. The cockpit of the Rolls-Royce motorhome would be a technological marvel, designed to provide effortless control and maximum comfort for the driver. The dashboard would feature a fully digital interface with AI-assisted navigation, voice-activated controls, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. The steering wheel would be wrapped in hand-stitched leather with haptic feedback providing a seamless connection to the road. Driving assistance features would include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and a panoramic heads-up display projecting key information onto the windshield. The suspension system would be Rolls-Royce's signature magic carpet ride, ensuring an ultra-smooth journey regardless of the terrain. This technology would adapt to road conditions in real time, absorbing bumps and vibrations to maintain the signature Rolls-Royce floating sensation. For sustainability-conscious travelers, the Rolls-Royce Motor Home could incorporate hybrid or fully electric powertrain options. With advancements in battery technology, an all-electric version could offer a range of up to 500 miles on a single charge, with fast charging capabilities reducing downtime. Solar panels integrated into the roof could provide auxiliary power, keeping the onboard systems running efficiently while minimizing environmental impact. Now, let's talk about storage and additional features. A motorhome of this caliber would undoubtedly include a retractable outdoor deck, complete with an automated awning and heated flooring for all-season usability. This space would be perfect for sipping coffee while watching the sunrise or enjoying a glass of champagne under the stars. An integrated outdoor entertainment system would include weather-resistant speakers and a hidden pop-up screen for open-air movie nights. For those who appreciate exclusivity, customization options would be endless. Rolls-Royce prides itself on tailoring each vehicle to the desires of its clientele, and this motorhome would be no different. Owners could select from a vast array of bespoke finishes, monograms, and even personalized artwork embedded into the interior design. Every detail would be meticulously crafted to reflect the owner's unique tastes and lifestyle. Security would be another major focus, with biometric entry systems ensuring that only authorized individuals can access the vehicle. Advanced surveillance cameras with AI recognition would provide real-time monitoring, offering peace of mind no matter where the journey takes you. Beyond luxury and technology, the Rolls-Royce Motor Home would symbolize a new way of experiencing travel. It wouldn't just be a vehicle, it would be a rolling palace, a retreat from the ordinary, a statement of success and refinement. Whether parked along a scenic coastal highway or nestled in the heart of a bustling city, it would command attention and admiration. While this concept remains speculative, the idea of a Rolls-Royce motorhome sparks the imagination. It embodies the fusion of automotive excellence and residential luxury, pushing the boundaries of what a travel experience can be. Perhaps one day, Rolls-Royce will indeed introduce such a creation, redefining road travel in ways we've never seen before. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of luxury travel and innovation. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the possibilities of a Rolls-Royce motorhome, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Autoland for more exclusive content on the future of automotive luxury. Stay tuned for more incredible concepts, reviews, and discussions. Until next time, travel in style and dream without limits.